Hello everyone, welcome to this first lecture on Laplace transform. My name is Harish Soni and I am assistant professor at Department of Applied Science, JIT Jodhpur. So today we will study what is Laplace transform. Laplace transform is basically mathematical tool which is used to solve different type of engineering and mathematical problem. It is one of the most important topic which is very much widely used in engineering and maths, such as control system and signal processing, circuit analysis. It is also used to solve ordinary and partial differential equation and boundary value problem. Now take a pause and think how you solve ordinary differential equation. Have you think? Now play video. What we do is to find solution of ordinary differential equation, we find general solution and from general solution to arbitrary constant by initial value. If we use Laplace transform to solve in easy way. Now we discuss integral transform definition. Let f of be a function of variable t defined on AB. Then let k is st be a known function of s and t, where s is real or complex and independent of t. Then the integral a to b kst ft dt is called integral transform. It is also denoted as transform of f of t s. Thus it is denoted by integration of a to b kst ft dt equal to f of s. This function is called kernel of the transform. The kernel is the function of parameter s and t is the variable of integration. Now some particular integral transform. When kernel kst is some particular function, then the corresponding transform is known by some particular name. For example, when kst equal to 0, when t less than 0, when kst equal to e की power minus st, when t greater than or equal to 0, then the transform 1 is known as Laplace transform. And when kst equal to 0, when t less than or equal to 0, when kst equal to e की power minus st, when t greater than equal to 0, then the transform 1 is known as Fourier transform. Now we study Laplace transform definition. Let f be a function of t greater than or equal to 0. The Laplace transform of f of t is defined as integration of 0 to infinity e की power minus st f of t dt. The Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by f of s or f bar s and expressed as Laplace transform of f of t s, or in simple way Laplace transform of f of t. The letter t denotes Laplace transform operator. Then Laplace transform is denoted by integration of 0 to infinity e की power minus st ft dt equal to f of s, or simply a Laplace transform f of t. Laplace transform of some standard function. First, Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s. Proof. How to get? By definition of Laplace transform, Laplace transform of 1 equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus st 1 dt. 1 is your function f of t. By integration minus e की power minus st upon s, limit 0 to infinity, applying limit when we apply e की power minus infinity is 0 and e की power 0 is 1, then we get 1 upon s. Here the condition s greater than equal to 0 is necessary because the integration is convergent for s greater than 0 and divergent for s less than 0. Second, Laplace transform of t की power n equal to factorial n upon s की power n plus 1. How to get? By definition of Laplace transform of t की power n equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus st t की power n dt. Here t की power n is your function. By integration of this by parts method, we get this minus 1 upon s t की power n e की power minus st limit 0 to infinity plus 1 upon s limit 0 to infinity n e की power minus st t की power n minus 1 dt. Applying limit, then we get minus 1 upon s limit t tends to infinity t की power n upon e की power minus st plus n upon s 0 to infinity e की power minus st t की power n minus 1 dt. We know that limit n tends to infinity t की power n upon e की power minus st equal to 0, then this term will be 0, then we get n upon s integration 0 to infinity e की power minus st t की power n minus 1 dt. If we repeat this process, then we get n minus 1 so on 3 to 1 and s is n times, then s की power n 0 to infinity e की power minus t dt. It is factorial n upon s की power n and integration of this, then we get e की power minus st upon minus s limit 0 to infinity, then finally we get factorial n upon s की power n plus 1. Now third, Laplace transform of e की power at equal to 1 upon s minus a, condition s greater than a. Proof. By definition of Laplace transform of e की power at equal to limit 0 to infinity e की power minus st e की power at. E की power at is your function and dt equal to e की power, we take minus common, then e की power minus bracket s minus a t dt. By integration of this, then we get minus e की power minus s minus a t upon s minus a. Applying limit 0 to infinity, then we get 1 upon s minus a. Here the condition s greater than is necessary because the integration is convergent for s greater than 0 and divergent for s less than or equal to a. 4. Laplace transform of sin at equal to a upon s square plus a square. Proof. By definition of Laplace transform, we get Laplace transform of sin at equal to limit 0 to infinity e की power minus st sin at. Sin at is your function dt. By integration of this, we get e की power minus st bracket minus sin minus s sin at minus a cos at upon s square plus a square and limit 0 to infinity. Apply limit 0 to infinity, then we get a upon s square plus a square and condition s greater than 0. Similarly, cos at. Now we find Laplace transform of hyperbolic function. Laplace transform of sine hyperbolic at equal to a upon s square minus a square. Condition s greater than modulus of a. By definition of Laplace transform of sine hyperbolic at equal to we can write sine hyperbolic at as e की power at minus e की power minus at upon 2 by property of by linear property of Laplace transform we get this. So 1 upon 2 Laplace transform of e की power at minus half Laplace transform of e की power minus at. Then we get this, and by solving we get a upon s square minus a square. Similarly, cos hyperbolic at. Now Laplace transform of e की power bt sin at equal to a upon s minus b का होल स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर. By definition of Laplace transform of e की power bt sin at equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus sin at. This is your function. Then e की power bt sin at dt. Here sin e की power minus st and e की power bt. Then we can common t e की power minus s minus b t sin at dt. By integration of this, then we get this. Similarly, e की power bt cos at. Table of Laplace transform of some standard elementary function. First, Laplace transform of 1 equal to 1 upon s. Laplace transform of t equal to 1 upon s square. And Laplace transform of t की power n is factorial n upon s की power n plus 1, and also gamma n plus 1 upon s की power n plus 1. Laplace transform of e की power at is 1 upon s minus a, and Laplace transform of sin at equal to a upon s square plus a square, and Laplace transform of cos at equal to s upon s square plus a square. In sin and cos, only difference of a and s, then we can learn in easy way. And Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic at is a upon s square minus a square, and cos hyperbolic at is s upon s square minus a square. Only difference of sin at and sin hyperbolic at plus and minus. Now Laplace transform of e की power bt sin at equal to a upon s minus b का whole square plus a square, and Laplace transform of e की power bt cos at equal to s minus b upon s minus b का whole square plus a square. Now we take some examples based on Laplace transform. Find the Laplace transform of the following function. We have a given function, then find Laplace transform. First is a plus bt plus c t square. Then Laplace transform a plus bt plus c t square equal to a is as a constant, then Laplace transform of 1 plus b as a constant, Laplace transform of t plus c as a constant, Laplace transform of t square. We know that Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s, and Laplace transform of t is 1 upon s square plus Laplace transform of t square equal to factorial 2 upon s cube. Then we get finally we get a upon s plus b upon s square plus 2c upon s cube. Question number 2. We have a given function s squared 3t, then Laplace transform of s squared 3t equal to we can write s squared 3t as 1 minus cos 6t upon 2. Then Laplace transform of this function is 1 by 2 Laplace transform of 1 by using linearity property of Laplace transform minus Laplace transform of cos 60, then we get 1 by 2. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s, and Laplace transform of cos 6t equal to s upon s square plus 36. By solving these, we get 18 upon s bracket s square plus 36. Now question number 3rd, Laplace transform of sin 5t sin 3t. We can write sin 5t sin 3t as cos 2t minus cos 8t by using formula of sin a minus cos b. Cos a minus cos b. Then by using linearity property of Laplace transform, we can write as 1 by 2 Laplace transform cos 2t minus Laplace transform cos 8t. Then we get 1 by 2 s upon s square plus 4 minus s upon s square plus 64. By solving these, we get 30s s square plus 4 s square plus 64. Thank you all of you.